It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Wednesday, the 17th of October. I'm Michael Groff. A gradual warming trend as we start to dry out over the next several days. Temperatures getting close to average for a change. But another chance of rain comes in here by late in the weekend and next week. Let's get out there and talk about it. Yesterday in the valley, a high temperature of 69 degrees after a morning low of 59. And if we look at the normals, our normal high doesn't get down to 69 degrees until November the 30th. Wow, chilly day. All right, outside right now here at 5:30 a.m. We've got clear skies in the valley. We begin this day at 61 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 43, humidity 51%. Wind from the east-northeast at 10, and the barometer is rising. Temperatures out there this morning, 48 at Thompson Peak. That's the cool spot. 51 at Buckeye, 53 El Mirage. A lot of mid and upper 50s, near 60 in some of the warmest locations right now. Water vapor satellite view, we've got the upper low that's been responsible for this unsettled weather over the last few days. It is now beginning to lift to the north, centered near Flagstaff at this time. And so our breezy conditions will continue at least through the day today. The watch warning map, winter weather advisories in parts of New Mexico. We still have flash flood watches, a few flash flood warnings in sections of Texas, and freeze warnings continue for parts of Michigan, Indiana, Ohio, with frost advisories further to the south. Convective outlook for today, no organized areas of severe weather anywhere across the contiguous United States. And rainfall for the next 7 days around here, a few hundredths, maybe a tenth of an inch here in the valley. Heavier totals around a quarter of an inch or so up north. Most of that will come in the form of rain, although a few snowflakes will be flying around there this morning. Let's get into the details of our weather now. To do that, we'll take a look at the models. Here we go. The GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. The upper look at about 18,000 feet. High pressure building in here across the western states, but we still have our cutoff low underneath that. So down at the surface, as the low lifts out, we'll see decreasing clouds. Should be mostly sunny here in the valley today and a bit warmer. Highs in the mid-70s, but that's still around 14, 15 degrees below average. Tonight, clear skies, lows in the 50s to near 60. Tomorrow, mostly sunny and a bit warmer. Highs in the low 80s. Friday, we should be in the mid-80s with mostly sunny skies. On Saturday, as we hit the weekend, we'll see an upper-level low cutting off the Southern California coast. This will not be nearly as intense as the previous low-pressure areas that have affected our region. Still, some moisture advection comes in, mostly sunny in the morning, partly cloudy in the afternoon, maybe a small chance of a shower or storm late in the day or toward the evening hours. This should also be the warmest day of the forecast period with highs mid and upper 80s. Some of the guidance suggests will be near 90. Sunday, a continued chance of showers and storms. They'll be fairly widely scattered, though. Not everybody's going to see rain. Most of the rainfall should be on the light side. The best chances will be up north, but still, we'll go for about a 30% chance of seeing something here in the desert. Same thing again on Monday. Slight chance of showers and storms continues, and highs in the upper 70s and low 80s. On Tuesday, mostly sunny skies. We dry out. High temperatures still upper 70s and low 80s. Here's a week from today. This is Wednesday, the 24th. And short waves passing on by, but overall, we will be dry with just a few clouds. High temperatures, low 80s. Here's Thursday, the 25th. Still looks pretty dry with high pressure building in from the west. Looks like another cutoff low could be setting up well to our south. That would not have much of a meaningful impact in our weather, though. And then here's the end of the 10-day forecast period. This is Friday, the 26th. And if that verifies, that's a 591 ridge building in from the west, and temperatures would be rising, probably even above average if this verifies. But forecast confidence not overly high out here as we take a look at the European at the same time. Next Friday, the 26th, and it's got a trough moving through the Great Basin, and that would certainly mean temperatures would be probably right around average, maybe even a couple of degrees below normal. Speaking of temperatures, let's take a look at those coming off of the GFS ensemble all the way up through the period, and it's got us at 90 on Saturday. We could get close to that, but then temperatures will ease down somewhere at or even slightly below average as we close out the month of October. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Plus, of course, your comments, questions, suggestions, always encouraged as well. Be safe out there and have yourselves a fantastic Wednesday.